Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wasted time scrolling through tons of emails just to find that one message, today's video is for you. I'll show you exactly how to search on Outlook email, step by step, in this full guide. Whether you're new to Outlook or just want to sharpen your skills, by the end of this video, you'll be searching like a pro. So let's jump right in. First things first, log into Outlook, open your browser, head over to the Outlook login page and sign in securely using your Microsoft 365 credentials. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your main mail hub. That's your home tab. If you're not already there, just click home on the sidebar. Now, let's talk about where the magic happens. The search bar. You'll find it right at the top of your screen, labeled Search Mail and People. This is your gateway to finding anything inside your Outlook inbox. Messages, contacts, or even attachments. Simply click into the search bar and enter keywords related to what you're looking for, like a sender's name, a subject line, or even a phrase from the email's content. Outlook will start showing results instantly thanks to its intelligent search suggestions. But don't stop there. Let's make your search even more powerful. Use the filter options that appear just below the search bar. You can filter by date range, folders, categories, or even choose to show only emails with attachments. This helps you zero in on exactly what you need faster. Want to take it to the next level? Use search operators. For example, type from Microsoft to see all emails from Microsoft. Type subject, report to find every report related email, or has. Attachment to instantly pull up messages with files. And here's a pro tip. If you often run the same type of search, save it as a search folder. That way, you can access your favorite searches anytime without retyping anything. And that's it. You now know how to search smarter, faster, and more accurately in Outlook email. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more easy tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.